Greetings, fellow Earthlings. AGK here with a brand new computer craft video. I am doing the smart helmet in the Smallnet Center today. Let's get started. It is pretty simple. You just need to put a Smallnet sender next to a computer, and then it's going to make a simple program. Actually, move this one. That was a demo one before. Okay, edit H for helmet. We're just going to wrap the Smallnet sender on the side, so Smallnet equals peripheral dot wrap on the right. Now let's just do Smallnet dot send to the smart helmet with the message. Obviously you can change that however you need. Press H, and I forgot, you have to connect it first. So just click on the Smallnet and then put this on your head. Might help if you're on that. There we go. So now it's on my head, and you can notice the gray bar at the top. If we run this again, send that message comes there, H. And it works just like chat, but in an opposite way, how it pushes up. So if I edit H, if I can spell edit right, there we go, and change this to message, change the message to AGK is awesome. You know, why not? So if I send H again, AGK is awesome. Now if I change this to AGK is, and you can finish that in the comments. If I send H again, it just pushes the message up. And a cool thing about this is when the message is too long to fit on the screen, it doesn't wrap over to the next line. It just kind of continues off the screen, which is both good and bad. It's good if you're trying to format stuff, and I think this is probably getting pretty close. If you're trying to format stuff and get cool animation type things, it's good that it does that so it doesn't throw your stuff off. But it's also bad if you're trying to get a lot of information in there and the information is just going off. It's just to the end of this. There we go. Now if I do save, run, I run H, you see the line doesn't come to the next line. It just keeps going. And that's pretty much how you can format stuff now. So with the basis of that, I have a quick program I want to show to you guys. It's pretty simple. It's just detecting redstone, and I just called it RD. And if you run this right now, it says that is a problem. Okay, well we can fix this while I go into here. So I'm just going to edit RD, find out what this was. 12. Ah, right here. Okay, sorry about that. Quick debugging while going live. Okay, RD. Incomplete arguments. RD in the Smallnet side and the Redstone side. So, the Smallnet is on the right, and the Redstone is on the left. So, let's do RD, right, left. Boom. Now you can see up here, there's a new thing, current redstone status for left, deactivated. What happens if I change this? Activated, deactivated, activated. And that's pretty much the basis. You can really make this cool stuff. Like, let's see, what kind of redstone things are there? There is nothing I don't think wireless redstone is in this. No, it isn't. If I can spell it right. Yes. Oh, it is. Huh. There we go. Receiver, and just put a transmitter over here. Now this could be actually I want to put this somewhere else. Let's put this right on the ground right there. Let's get a pressure plate. Boom. And now, if I change this to 1, I will be right back. It looks like I just crashed. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. That's what you get for playing on beta packs, I guess. So, the wireless redstone is not working for me right now, so I can't really show that off. But you get the idea how you can get an update about if anyone goes into your base or if your nuclear reactor needs fixing. It's all the same kind of stuff. So let's get into the code. You already saw a quick part of it, but let's get into it. Okay, so let's get to where it starts. This is all functions, so it doesn't get called yet. So the first one is this if. So if there are two arguments, or if the second argument does not exist, then tell that there is a incomplete arguments. Else, if there is two arguments and they both work and stuff like that, then wrap the peripheral, the first argument, wrap that peripheral to the Smallnet. Yeah. And then update the message, which update message is this. If the side number 2, so the second, I can't really show it, but the second argument, wrap it to the side. This is the redstone one. If it is true, like if activated, then set the status string to activated. If it's deactivated, then deactivated. So if it's false, deactivated, true, activated. Now we're just sending the message. We're sending message line, which this is just a really, really, really long line of, yeah, I'm not going to go into it, but it's just a really, really long line. So send message line, and then current redstone status for argument 2. So current redstone status for left, because that's the left side. Then just a little space, and then status string, which is either activated or deactivated. And right now it's activated because it's activated. And then line again to end it off. And that's pretty much it. Oh, this send message is a function up here. Function send message message. It's just a faster way to do this. Instead of having to type this entire line, you just type this line. And that's pretty much it. Oh, that update. Yeah. Calm down, AGK. Okay. While true do, so this just keeps going over and over and over and over. The OS pull event redstone. So it's waiting for a redstone change. It'll just get stuck there until redstone changes. Once it changes, then we post the update message again. We do it the first time, so when you first start the program, it updates before having to wait for a redstone update. Like if I went like this, saved, exit, and I reset the smart helmet thing. Now there's no message. Now if I do right and left, it won't update on the helmet until a redstone update has happened. That's why we have the... Oop, that's not what I wanted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's why we add this. I will post a pastebin here for you guys. Pastebin put RD. You just use that. That'll also be in the description. And that's pretty much it. If I missed anything, or if you have a part of Computer Craft or a part of Misc Peripherals or OpenCC or any of those stuff that you want me to review or look at, post in the comments. That's just about it.